We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 9. Marisol used a number machine to create ordered pairs of numbers based on a rule. Some ordered pairs are shown. Which graph best represents the ordered pairs? We need to find the graph that corresponds to the number pairs from the number machine. Since option A does not have a point with an x-coordinate of 0.5, it cannot be the correct match. Option C has all matching points, therefore C is the answer. Question number 10. Man bought 6 cans of tuna. Each can of tuna cost $0.93. What is the total amount of money the man spent on the cans of tuna? 6 cans of tuna times $0.93 equals $5.58. Hence, G is the correct answer. Which model represents 0.62 per square 0.30? Option C has 60 shaded squares as representing a value of 0.6 divided by 2, hence C is the correct answer. Question number 12. Carmela plotted the ordered pair 1, 3 on a coordinate grid by moving 1 unit up and 3 units left from the origin. Starting at the ordered pair 0, 0, then moving 1 unit up and 3 units left from the origin. Option F. Carmela plotted both the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate incorrectly, which is true. Therefore, F is the correct answer.